Your stomach can growl even when you are not hungry, because the sound is not just food moving around. It's mostly gas and liquid being pushed through your digestive system by muscle contractions. After your stomach empties, your body runs a cleanup cycle called the migrating motor complex. It sweeps leftover bits through your gut like a biological housekeeping crew. With less food inside to muffle the movement, the sounds become louder. So a growling stomach does not always mean you need to eat immediately. Sometimes it means your digestive system is doing maintenance in the background. Follow Curiosity Scope daily for more body facts.